Are you ready for a new day? Do you want to know what the universe has in store for you? Do you want to learn how to align yourself with the cosmic energies and attract more abundance, happiness, and success? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you are in the right place, where I give you the best advice and guidance for your daily life based on various methods of predicting the future. In this video, I will tell you how to make the most of September 5th, 2023, a day that has a lot of potential and opportunities for you. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. September 5th, 2023 is a Tuesday, which is ruled by the planet Mars. Mars is the planet of action, courage, passion, and energy. It gives you the motivation and drive to pursue your goals and overcome any obstacles. However, Mars can also make you impulsive, aggressive, or impatient. Therefore, you need to balance your enthusiasm with caution and wisdom. According to I Ching hexagrams, the energy of September 5th is represented by the symbol of the well, which means nourishment, replenishment, and renewal. This symbol suggests that you have access to a source of wisdom and inspiration that can help you solve any problems or challenges that you may face. However, you need to be aware of this source and use it wisely. Don't take it for granted or waste it. Also, don't be afraid to share it with others who may need it. The well symbolizes the connection between heaven and earth, between spirit and matter. It reminds you that you are not alone in this world. You are part of a larger whole that supports you and guides you. According to astrology, September 5th is a day when the Sun in Virgo forms a trine with Uranus in Taurus. This is a very positive aspect that brings unexpected opportunities, surprises, and breakthroughs. You may experience some changes or innovations in your work, health, or finances that can benefit you in the long run. You may also feel more creative, original, and inventive. You may have some brilliant ideas or insights that can help you improve your situation or achieve your goals. This aspect also encourages you to be more independent, authentic, and free-spirited. You may feel more confident and courageous to express yourself and follow your own path. You may also be more open-minded and curious about new things or experiences. According to numerology, September 5th is a day with the vibration of number 8. Number 8 is the number of power, success, abundance, and authority. It represents your ability to manifest your dreams and desires into reality. It also represents your leadership skills and your influence over others. However, number 8 can also bring some challenges or tests that require you to be responsible, disciplined, and ethical. You may have to deal with some issues related to money, business, or law. You may also have to face some karmic consequences or lessons that are related to your past actions or decisions. Based on these methods of predicting the future, here are some tips and suggestions for how to make the most of September 5th. Be proactive and take action on your goals or plans. Don't wait for things to happen or for others to do them for you. You have the power and the potential to make things happen. Be flexible and adaptable to any changes or surprises that may occur. Don't resist or fear them. Instead, embrace them as opportunities for growth and improvement. Be creative and innovative in your thinking and problem solving. Don't limit yourself by conventional or traditional ways of doing things. Instead, explore new possibilities and perspectives. Be authentic and original in your self-expression and communication. Don't hide or conform to what others expect from you. Instead, show your true colors and personality. Be generous and compassionate in your interactions with others. Don't hoard or withhold what you have or know from others who may need it. Instead, share it freely and kindly. Be mindful and respectful of your resources and responsibilities. Don't waste or abuse what you have or what you are given. Instead, use it wisely and ethically. September 5th is a day that can bring you a lot of blessings and opportunities if you are willing to take advantage of them. You have the power and the potential to create your own reality and to make a positive impact on the world. Remember that you are not alone in this journey. You have the support and the guidance of the universe and your higher self. All you need to do is to listen to your intuition and follow your heart. I hope this video has helped you to prepare for September 5th and to make the best of it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, I wish you all the best and may the stars be with you.